In this lesson, I would like to show you an invaluable trick that will help you navigate through financial models and Excel spreadsheets in general in a much easier way. When working with files containing calculations spanning across multiple worksheets, it can be quite difficult to go back and forth to really understand what has been included in a given formula. This is certainly the case if you don't know about the click twice and then use F5 technique. To implement it, first you have to double-click on a formula, and Excel will take you to the first of the formula's inputs. See? Please note that if this doesn't happen on your computer, but instead you start editing the cell, you will have to adjust your Excel options. To do that, go to File, Options, and then select the Advanced tab. Here, I'll simply untick the Allow Editing Directly in Cells option. Once that's done, a double-click on a specific formula will take me to the formula's inputs. I can take a look and go back by pressing F5 and Enter. Very nice, right? Let's repeat it again. I'll double-click, and we'll go to the sheet where we have the function's inputs. And then we will use the F5 to go back to the cell where we have the original formula. Perfect! This is an invaluable technique for all advanced users working on models containing multi-layered calculations across several sheets. Thanks for watching.